You're thinking about buying a new smartwatch, but you don't want to waste your money. The Xiaomi Redmi Watch Move just launched, and it's only €20. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? So what exactly does it offer? And is it better to wait or buy right now? By the end of this video, you'll know if this watch fits your needs. No fluff, just facts. This watch has caught many people's attention because of its price and AMOLED screen. But price isn't everything. What about features and real daily use? Let's get into what it offers and what you should expect. When you pick up this watch, the first thing you notice is how light it feels. Weighing only 25 grams, it won't weigh your wrist down. The size is balanced too, not bulky or oversized, which is great if you don't want a heavy device all day. It's also built tough, with an IP68 rating. That means it can handle dust, sweat, and even short dips in water, like swimming or showering. This gives you peace of mind if you want to wear it everywhere. The display is one of the strongest points here. It uses an AMOLED panel, which means colors are bright and text is sharp. At 1.85 inches, it's big enough to see notifications clearly, but still comfortable. The brightness can reach up to 600 nits, so you won't struggle even under sunlight. Plus, it has an always-on display, so you don't need to lift your wrist every time to check the time. Now, there are some things missing, and this is important to understand. Unlike more expensive smartwatches, this one does not have cellular connectivity, GPS, or NFC for payments. There's no way to make calls or use maps directly on the watch. It's also missing Wi-Fi and doesn't support any app downloads. Why does that matter? Because if you're looking for a full-featured smartwatch that can replace your phone, this is not it. But if you only want a device to track your health and look good doing it, this could be a solid option. Speaking of health, it tracks heart rate and blood oxygen, SpO2, reliably, and has an accelerometer to count your steps and movement. These are the basics most people want for daily health monitoring. While it's not a professional medical device, it gives you good insights without needing to spend hundreds of euros. The software runs on Hyper OS, which is simple and smooth. You get clean menus, fast responses, and easy navigation. Changing watch faces, checking stats, or controlling music on your phone is straightforward. No lag, no complicated menus. Battery life is impressive for such a device. Xiaomi claims about a week of usage, and in real life, many users see 5 to 7 days depending on usage. This means fewer charges and more convenience for you. Now, why would someone wait to buy this? If you're someone who needs GPS or the ability to pay from your watch, or if you want to make calls without your phone, then it's worth waiting for a better model. But if your priority is a sharp display, basic health tracking, and long battery life, this watch gives you that for a price that's hard to beat. So, is this watch worth your money? If you want a stylish, lightweight health tracker with a bright AMOLED screen and long battery life, yes, it's a good deal. But don't expect phone-like features. It's made for simple daily use, not as a phone replacement. If this review helped clear things up, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for honest tech reviews without the hype.